Alright, so guys, finally Samsung ने S24 series launch किया है and today we are going to compare this S24 the standard model with the iPhone 15 standard model. So देखते हैं दोनों फ़ोन में कौन सा फ़ोन आपके पर्पस के लिए अच्छा है. See, दोनों फ़ोन में डिफरेंस बहुत है because iPhone is based on iOS and Samsung S24 is based on Android. So पर्पस सेम है बट उसका जो डिफरेंशिएशन है वो टोटली डिफरेंट है बिकॉज iOS का जो ऑपरेशन है दैट इज़ डिफरेंट एंड सैमसंग का एंड्रॉयड है उसका ऑपरेशन है दैट इज़ डिफरेंट. दोनों ही फ़ोन अलग अलग वे से अपने अपनी जगह पे बहुत अच्छे हैं. सो विल टेक अ लुक एट बोथ द फोन्स की कौन सा फ़ोन आपके पर्पस के लिए आपको यूज़फुल हो जाएगा. Well, starting with the body and build of both the phones, Samsung S24 का जो body है that is made up of aluminum armor to with drop and scratch resistance protection. Front and back of the phone is protected with Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2. ये जो फ़ोन है ये IP68 water and dust resistance है up to 1.5 meters for 30 minutes. iPhone 15's body is made up of aluminum and इसका front and back जो है वो Corning Gorilla Glass से protected है. It is IP68 dust and water resistance up to 6 meters for 30 minutes. Well, talking about the display of both the phones, S24 has 6.2-inch LTPO AMOLED display panel with 120Hz refresh rate, 1080 into 2340 pixels with 416 pixels per inch. On the other hand, iPhone 15 has 6.1-inch Super Retina OLED display panel with 1179 into 2556 pixels with 461 pixels per inch. Both the phones have different operating system. S24 has Android 14 based on One UI 6.1, whereas iPhone 15 has iOS 17 upgradable to iOS 17.3, the latest one. Chipset plays a very important role in today's smartphone. Samsung comes with Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor for US, Canada and China, and for international market Samsung gives Exynos 2400 chipset, whereas iPhone has A16 Bionic chipset. दोनों ही फ़ोन में कार्ड स्लॉट नहीं है, इसका मतलब है आप इसका जो मेमोरी है वो एक्सटेंड नहीं कर सकते हैं. S24 का जो मेमोरी है दैट इज़ 128GB, 256GB एंड 512GB. इसका जो रैम है दैट इज़ 8GB एंड कुछ मॉडल्स में 12GB, 512GB का ऑप्शंस दिया है. Whereas कमिंग टू आईफोन, इसका जो रैम है दैट इज़ 6GB एंड इसका जो मेमोरी है दैट इज़ 128GB, 256GB एंड 512GB. Oh no, taking a look at the cameras. Cameras is the most important aspects of smartphone in today's era. 50 megapixel main camera sensor that is wide angle, 10 megapixel telephoto camera and 12 megapixel ultra wide camera for Samsung S24. Whereas 48 megapixel main camera sensor for iPhone 15 and 12 megapixel ultra wide camera. Both the phones have 12 megapixel front wide angle camera. S24 can record video up to 8K 24-30 frames per second, whereas iPhone can record video 4K at 25, 30 and 60 frames per second. S24 supports dual band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.3, NFC and USB Type-C 3.2 with OTG, whereas iPhone supports dual band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.3, NFC and USB Type-C 2.0. 4000 mAh of battery for S24 with 15 watt wireless charging and 25 watt wired charging. 3349 mAh of battery for iPhone 15 with 15 watt wired charging and 15 watt wireless charging. S24 shows beautiful color variants that is onyx black, marble grey, cobalt violet, amber yellow, jade green, sandstone orange and sapphire blue. Whereas iPhone has 5 colors that is black, blue, green, yellow and pink. Pricing की बात करें तो S24 starts at rupees 79,999, whereas iPhone 15 also starts at rupees 79,999. Also, you can get access to various accessories for both the phones on their individual website. Please do check out. Alright, so guys, this was the short information about comparison of technical specification for both the phones. So आपको चॉइस करना है कौन सा फ़ोन आपका पर्पस सॉल्व करता है. Either you go with the Samsung or you go with the iPhone. Both the phone are similar. दोनों ही फ़ोन के जो configuration है that is the latest configuration and top notch configuration है. So it is up to you which phone is suitable for you and that will solve your purpose. Alright, so guys, वीडियो को अगर लाइक नहीं किया रहेगा तो प्लीज़ लाइक कर दीजिएगा, बेल नोटिफिकेशन को ऑन कर देना एंड चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलिएगा. मिलते हैं अपने अगले वीडियो में. टिल देन स्टे सेफ, स्टे हेल्दी.